Sometimes the simplest things that you make all the difference in your meals, and they taste amazing. And one of those things is a very simple champagne vinaigrette. So easy to make, you're never going to want to go back to store-bought dressings again. And I'm going to show you how to do it. Dijon mustard. I'm a mustard girl, but you kind of need this for this. That's the basis for a good champagne vinaigrette. This is really a 3-to-1 classic ratio. It's 1 part vinegar to 3 parts oil, but it's not measured, so it's kind of just all eyeballed. Sea salt. Now the thing about salt in this, you got to use more than you even think is possible. It's kind of like salt in your pasta water. You can't believe how much salt has to go into that pasta water to make that pasta taste delicious. Same thing here. We're adding the champagne vinegar now, and that's going to simply dissolve all of that salt, and the mustard is the emulsifier. It's going to keep the oil and the vinegar together. So you just pour some in, and then while you're whisking, because here's the trick, start drizzling in your olive oil. And you're going to stop every so often and taste, because you want it the way you want it to taste on your salad. You can see the olive oil and the vinegar are not separating. And that is the mustard. Oh, that's good.